In this video, we are going to show you the top 5 best Makita drill in the marketplaces. We have selected them based on their quality, performance, and price. We've made a research for sufficient time to find out them. If you are trying to find out which Makita drill is the best, here is the video for you. Stay with the video till last. After watching this video, you can simply pick the right one. Check the description for links to find out the price of the items included in this video. So, let's start. Starting of our list at number 5, Makita HR4013C Advanced Rotary. Powerful 11 amp motor supplies 8.4 feet-pounds, or 11.4 J, of influence energy to deal with the most demanding applications. Advanced Anti-Vibration Innovation AVT is an integrated, 3-component system that more effectively decreases vibration, resulting in a reduced 5M or S2. Advanced AVT includes an air-actuated counterbalance that directs air pressure from the crank as well as barrel room right into the counterbalance cylindrical tubes to move weight pistons on the contrary direction of the hammer system to effectively decrease vibration. Advanced AVT consists of a resonance-absorbing reel estate with a springtime-loaded back manage and housing which relocates independently of the motor, and also hammer mechanism properly separating even more vibration away from the customer. Advanced AVT includes an integrated damper spring at the base of the impact screw crafted to absorb impact resonances from the drill bit. Anti-Vibration Modern Technology AVT is an integrated, 3-component system that better lowers resonance, resulting in a reduced 5M or S2. Anti-Vibration Modern Technology AVT is an internal counterbalance system that greatly minimizes vibration. Vibration-absorbing reel estate features a spring-loaded key handle, and also upper reel estate, that moves separately of the electric motor and drive system. Here is the item number 4, Makita XPH03Z Lithium-Ion Cordless. Makita-built 4-pole motor supplies 750 in pounds of max torque. Mechanical 2-speed transmission 0400 and 0 to 2000 RPM covers a wide variety of exploration, fastening, and hammer boring applications. Compact as well as ergonomic layout at just 8 to 7 or 8 inch long, evaluates only 5.1 pounds. With battery not included for reduced operator fatigue. Extreme Defense Technology XPT engineered for boosted dirt and also water resistance for operation in harsh task site conditions. The 18-volt LXT Lithium-Ion 1 or 2-inch hammer driver drill design XPH03Z, the tool just supplies a complete 750 in pounds of max torque and also 18% more speed, yet it is much more portable, as well as considered less than the previous version. The XPH03Z has the torque and speed that specialists demand, and also it is crafted for enhanced resistance to water and dust. For exploration as well as driving, Makita has actually supplied a complete solution. The XPH03Z is crafted with a Makita-built 4-pole motor that delivers an industry-leading 750 in pounds of max torque, with 30,000 BPM and also 2,000 RPM. The brand new all-metal worldly gear system is extra effective, so the XPH03Z is also extra small at just 8 to 7 or 8 inch long and 5.1 pounds, with battery. The XPH03Z includes Makita Extreme Security Technology. The item number 3, Makita FD07R1 Lithium-Ion Brushless. Compact and also ergonomic layout at only 6 to 1 or 16 inch long, evaluates just 2.3 pounds. With battery for minimized driver tiredness, BL Brushless electric motor provides 280 in pounds of max torque. The BL Brushless electric motor removes carbon brushes, enabling the BL electric motor to run cooler and also a lot more successfully for longer life. Reliable BL Brushless motor is online regulated to enhance battery power usage for up to 50% longer runtime per charge. The Makita 12-volt Max CXT Lithium-Ion Brushless Cordless 3 or 8-inch driver drill set supplies power as well as speed in an ultra-compact dimension for reliable exploration, driving, and attaching. With Makita 12-volt Max CXT Lithium-Ion slide-style batteries, users get remarkable balance and functional designs over pod-style batteries. For added comfort, the batteries consist of an onboard LED cost level sign. The FD07R1 weighs only 2.3 pounds, as well as supplies 280 pounds of max torque. It's an excellent remedy for individuals looking for a more compact driver drill with much less weight and for applications in tight rooms. For a longer run time, 12V Max CXT cordless tools are also compatible with the 12V Max CXT Lithium-Ion 4.0 battery. Number 2 in our list, Makita XPH12Z Brushless Cordless. BL Brushless electric motor provides 530 inches lbs of max torque. Reliable BL brushless motor is digitally regulated to optimize battery power use for up to 50% longer runtime per fee. The BL brushless motor removes carbon brushes, enabling the BL motor to run cooler and extra effectively for longer life. The electronically controlled BL brushless motor efficiently makes use of energy to match torque and RPM to the changing demands of the application. Variable 2-speed design, 0-500 and 0-2000 RPM, 0-7500 and 0-30,000 BPM covers a wide range of drilling, driving, and hammer applications. Makita is the development leader in brushless electric motor modern technology, and also the 18V LXT brushless hammer driver drill XPH12Z. The device just integrates power and also runtime for more exploration, driving, and fastening tasks in wood, steel, and also masonry. The reliable Makita BL brushless electric motor is electronically controlled and also engineered for longer run time, boosted power and rate, and longer tool life. Makita is the development leader in brushless motor modern technology, and also the 18V LXT brushless hammer driver drill XPH12Z. Tool only integrates power and runtime for even more boring, driving and also attaching jobs in timber, metal, and also stonework. The reliable Makita BL brushless electric motor is digitally regulated and also crafted for longer runtime, boosted power and also rate, and longer device life. The variable 2-speed brushless electric motor delivers up to 2000 RPM and also 530 inches lbs of max torque for effective attachment. The top one in our list, Makita XPH07Z Brushless Cordless. BL brushless electric motor supplies 1090 pounds of max torque, 0-31,500 BPM for fast hammer boring and masonry products. Reliable BL brushless motor is electronically controlled to enhance battery energy usage for approximately 50% longer runtime per cost. The BL brushless electric motor removes carbon brushes, allowing the BL electric motor to run more relaxed and more effectively for longer life. The electronically controlled BL brushless motor efficiently uses energy to match torque as well as RPM to the transforming needs of the application. The Makita XPH07Z 18V LXT Lithium-Ion Brushless Cordless 1 or 2-inch hammer driver drill helps one of the most demanding drilling and driving applications in timber, masonry, and steel. Get the Makita electric motor benefit as this powerful device is filled with functions that provide the most effective transfer of energy for even more power and resilience, without a discomforting noise. Check the description for links to find out the price of the items included in this video. Hope you found this video helpful to find out the best Makita drill amongst a lot of items. If you found this helpful, please give a like, comment your valuable opinion, and tell us which one is perfect for you. Subscribe to our channel to get the latest updates on different product reviews.